Hey, good morning, everyone. Good morning, Ro from Ro's Kitchen, not in the kitchen. Just wanted to give you a preview for Thursday night's live, okay? So Thursday night, this week, 7:30 Central Standard Time, Living Plant-Based Daily, we are going to do a recipe. And it's going to be something sweet, it's going to be something chocolate, and it's going to be something you can do for Valentine's Day that won't wreck your program. Yeah, it's going to be good. And it's going to be something that you won't make too much of and eat too much of it. And that's all, the only clue I'm going to give you for now. So, stay tuned. I will tell you more tomorrow, and I will be posting some cooking videos on YouTube. And my YouTube watchers, why don't you come over to Living Plant-Based Daily and join our group and join our people who are like-minded and friendly and sweet and kind, and we'll see you there, okay? So have a great day and look forward to teaching you how to make a really quick, delicious dessert.